Today we're showing how we splice a cylinder pump to the drop gate. This is something we offer as a service, and while the process itself isn't overly complicated, it does need to be done right to avoid issues downhole later on. What we want to focus on here are the tools and materials we recommend using to get a clean, reliable splice. We're using a 4:1 heat shrink ratio kit, 12 gauge butt connections, electrical tape, and a 3/4 inch heat shrink sleeve that goes over the entire splice as a final layer of protection. For heat, we're using a heat gun. This can be done with a propane torch, but we strongly recommend a heat gun. It gives you much better control over the heat, which helps ensure everything seals properly without damaging the insulation. As far as tools go, we're using a butt crimp tool, wire cutters, and wire strippers. The wires are already stripped here, but taking your time on this step is very important for a solid connection. The pump we're splicing today is a very popular Sunrotor model, the SR4. It uses black, blue, and brown wire, which are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Ensure you match those wires correctly. We also like to include a few small tips and tricks during this process that eliminate problems once the pump is down the well. Once everything is connected, we finish the setup with the safety loop and fully tape everything up for added protection. We can size everything to your exact setup, recommend the right materials, and make sure the splice is done correctly the first time. If you'd like to learn more about this service or need help with your system, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Solar Power and Pump Supply. We make solar easy.